Tawian, what's up pose? Spin around. Spin around, Tawian. Alright, he's not moving. Outfit of the day. Give me a smile. Look here. Look here, Tawian.
I said now I get no burger.
Smile. Tawian, smile. Come. Come. Tawian, come. Come. Don't know it's a girl, MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Tawian say, yo. Say, yo. He doesn't want to talk, bruh. I'm on my way to the gym, bruh. Tawian say hi. Tawian not talk to me. Anyways, guys, today is such. Come, Tawian, when I come down. Today is Saturday. I'm on my way to the gym. Come on, Tawian, bro. Come. I'm gonna go to the gym now. And then gonna get something to start up my hair after. And that's basically what we were supposed to go to the beach today. However, Punky is not feeling well. We're not about to go to the beach. So next weekend we're going to the beach or something like that. Should feel better or something. So that's what we're doing now. Okay, what I'm doing now, Dimples baby. What up, vlog world? I don't know, it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! I wanted them. Man can't let me down, bro. Guys, we have Kin over there.
Look at the outfit already, Jesus.
So, we have Kin over there. We're coming from the movies. Here. We just watched a movie name. My name Annabella? Annabelle. Annabelle. We watch Annabelle. Me tell him I watch a movie in peace. It's too scary. I can't manage it. I don't like the type of energy there around me.
See me, I work her.
See me?
At least me, I watch two.
Sorry. Yeah. Oh yeah, I think I read some new. We gotta look some barbecue sauce.
Anyway,
I Jamaican one, me did one, King.
in a minute,
No, which one mama always take? Other one there? Crab. Other one there, don't? Mama, so she want barbecue sauce, so we get it there.
This is thick and spicy. That would have sick, you know?
But me normally like the Jamaican brand.
That's not barbecue sauce, that's jerk sauce.
Jerk barbecue sauce. Spicy
She
Jamaican.
never said jerk. Color.
Me not call her other one that she want.
Which one?
The craft one.
Original.
Can I walk around here and see what I go on in my supermarket? Come now, bro. Yeah, so the movie, it was so scary. Like,
It was never that scary. I would just fool.
well, me no fool. Me no know how you. Me not like watch scary movie. And then now, you know, so the song, the audio is so loud in the movies. It make anybody frightened. Sitting. So that's what we just did. We are at the Hello Food store now, getting something, and then we're gonna head home. I'm probably I'm probably not gonna come back after this, so maybe this clip will end here and you see another clip from another day. Even though I am not uploading, I am still vlogging. So thank you guys for stopping by. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, definitely show the love, leave a comment below. I really want to hear from you. I'm baiting. We're gonna cash. No. If you're a real Jamaican,
In primary school, this was the
you know
shit.
Update.
This was the shit.
What is that one?
See me just don't watch white people movie.
So yeah guys,
Serious
later
note?
I just saw the dog food and I'm thinking about getting a dog. We can't manage dog right now cause
Oh, which one me give me dog?
a dog food if you the dog?
Yeah. It's okay. I didn't go vet too.
How can a dog you have? I want people dog you have?
I want the dog to take care of her. Them take care of them, not like that. We're here. Take dogs.
No, we can't take up no dog responsibility right now for myself. Too much for me now.
I like my next
So.
pick me, you know.
I'm just gonna take care of him and one bag of things. I know Punky now will help me.
And they put him in the car, can go vet.
Anyways guys,
We did have one mongrel.
Um,
And he dead.
we're-
Racism, you know?
we're going to our drive now.